Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The gold rose 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound gain 0.8% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
European stocks were choppy following jitters in global markets over the more hawkish tone from the U.S. Federal Reserve. China has taken another swing at Bitcoin, stepping up restrictions on cryptocurrency mining and ordering banks to block crypto-related transactions, driving Bitcoin's price 10% lower to a two-week low. BMW plans significant production cost cuts by the middle of the decade, one of the German carmaker's board members said, in a bid to become more competitive.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes will be released at 2350 GMT. Australia's Commonwealth Bank Services PMI at 2300 GMT. The US Red Book Index at 1255 GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing will be released at 600 GMT. The Dutch consumer spending volume at 430 GMT. The U.S. existing home sales at 1400 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.